Hi everybody, it's Christine here, and today, well, this week, I have decided that I would like to join MasterChef 2022. And I'm also not sure if I want to keep doing my job, which means I need to upskill on something else. I immediately think food is the answer to all my questions. If you're feeling hungry, you go for food. If you're feeling sad, food. If you're feeling grumpy, food. If you can't think, it's probably because you're hungry, which is your solution, is food.
A few minutes later.
Currently the year 2021, MasterChef has just started, and I am not sure if I would be any good. But that's why we're making this video, because I need to upskill. There are some really good contestants this year. There's Tom, there's Manoli, which I think might actually win this season. There's just like a few other people that I just can't remember the names, but I know they made very good food. Let me look this up. These are the people who are my favorites so far on MasterChef. Ooh. No, I don't know her. I don't know her. This guy's funny. No, don't know. Oh, this chick, I reckon, has a good chance. I could probably relate to her simply because she does a lot of home-style cooking, which is what I like to do as well. You know, and she probably questions whether she's good at what she does, which is probably what I do too. Anyways, Manoli, yes, she's got a real good chance of winning this. I definitely want to try her curry recipes, like the kiwi curry. Like, whoa, I really need to try that. Ooh, this guy made a really cool dish, choux pastry that looked like truffle. We're gonna look up on that recipe. This chick, she is insane. She's definitely a dessert kind of person, which is not me, and I will probably not be very good at desserts. But let's be honest, no one actually wins MasterChef on desserts, you know, except for Amelia. Very much a dessert person. We'll upskill on desserts. Desserts is something that I need to work on.
Few moments later.
And then we have Tom, good old Tom. This guy's from Newcastle. Newcastle represent, woo! This guy made a really cool dish. Some sort of sorbet, lemon granita, basil diplomat cream. Don't even know what a diplomat cream is. We'll look that up. And a basil oil. Good old Tommy. I really like Tommy. I just can relate to his style of cooking. His chicken congee was just something that I just wanted to eat immediately, because that's something that my mom would make. Well, she didn't really make a chicken congee, she just made congees. Her congees were alright. Sorry, Mom. I grew up in an island. For lunchtime, instead of having like a toasty or a pizza, like chicken congee was like one of the dishes you can order, and they were like the bomb. And I haven't had that in the longest time. That dish really reminded me of how good those chicken congees were. Definitely gonna be making this dish. And I also remember Khan from last season, my favorite contestant. He made a similar dish, chicken congee with the crispy bread. I don't know what they call it in Vietnamese world. We called it youtiao. Like, oh my gosh, I didn't know you can make those things from scratch, and it looks really easy. So I'm definitely gonna try making that with the salad, because I like salad. You know, we need more veggies in our lives. And I also like rice. These are just three things that I really like, so I'm gonna try making that dish made by Tommy. Trent. Good old Trent. I don't know this person. Wow, she's 19. All right, let's just go. All right, that's all the contestants we have. That's the rundown of MasterChef 2021. But really, the whole point of this is to upskill and learn how to cook better, so I can at least go. I don't think I'll win MasterChef. I think by upskilling, I can just like make it like top 5. Top 5 is really what we're aiming for here. Hey everyone, thanks for watching today's episode. Hit the subscribe button or swipe up. Tune in for the next episode. I will be making the black gold dish made from scotch in the next one, and we'll hopefully it's a success. And have a beautiful day. Bye.